chefing for a blessing, chefing for a blessing, chefing for a blessing, yeah. Chefing for a blessing, chefing for a blessing, chefing for a blessing, yeah.
Chefing for a blessing, yeah. It's Pastor Chef here. Kitchen, the heart of the home. It's a haven, a culinary dome. The heartbeat where flavors meet, the fragrance fills the air. There's beautiful essence everywhere. Aroma gonna bless your heart. Let's join Pastor Chef in this kitchen art. Chefing for a blessing, blessings abound.
Chefing for a blessing, chefing for a blessing, chefing for a blessing, yeah. Good. So good.
Okay, today we have for you pasta in a creamy chicken sauce. Let's get to it. First thing you need to do is dice up some chicken filet. Now I had a lot because I got a lot of adults to feed. So what's your portion, depending on your family size. I had about 3 huge pieces of chicken filet, diced it up, seasoned it with onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, paprika, and a bit of Italian seasonings, also chicken seasoning. Use whatever you like to your taste. The key is to season it up real good. Let it marinate for a while. So you do that early. Set it aside. Let it take, you know what I'm saying? Following that, once it's marinated for at least 30 minutes, if possible an hour or so, let's take a look at our main ingredients. You have the seasoned chicken and you have the pasta. There you see it, penne pasta. Here you have more ingredients: onions, butter, garlic, that's minced garlic, and parsley. If you have fresh parsley, that's best. If not, use what you got. All right, so as the chicken is marinating, we are going to get the pasta started. Heat up that water. All right, now as you see, I've diced up a lot of onions. Why? Because we love onions. Some recipes will say use half an onion. I use 2 onions. Saute them in about 2 tablespoons of butter and a little bit of olive oil. Keep stirring. If you have any hard pieces, get rid of them. Meanwhile, you are boiling the pasta. Get it al dente, not completely done, but done enough. All right, back to the pan there. We have added the garlic. I'm telling you, this is my favorite part. Onion, butter, garlic together. Oh my. All right, let's keep that going. Sauteing it. Yes. I took out some of it because it was so much, of course. I put it to the side. I'll add it later. Now we are adding the chicken, the marinated seasoned chicken, to the onion garlic mixture that's in that pan. Look how full that pan is. Put the top over it to get it to cook faster. You want the chicken pretty much 95% done. It will continue being cooked when we have it in the sauce in a little bit. So I've got it covered. Well, what I decided to do is put it in a bigger container, a pan, almost a wok type of pan, because I had so much chicken. So there it is. Now it's getting cooked. Wonderful. Now you can see I've added some half and half milk or heavy cream, whichever one you have, that's fine. So you've got the onion garlic mixture, the meat is done, the heavy cream. Delicious, folks. Oh yeah, don't forget, taste on your way through. No harm in tasting. Put some spoons aside and you have a taste, and put that spoon in the sink to get washed and get ready to taste again. Add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, Parmesan, and I would say about a half a cup of that. That gives it a nice rich flavoring to it. Now by this time your pasta must be ready. So drain it, pour it into the sauce, stir it well, making sure to get the sauce and all the nook and crannies, as it were, of the pasta. And then you're topping it up with your parsley. All right, stirring it, and I will cover it again and just let it cook together. Marry all of the different flavors together for another 5 minutes, and then folks, you're ready to serve your family. Very easy, straightforward. Mom, dad, you can cook this yourself or bring the children in to teach them how to be a help in the kitchen. They can help in some way. In any case, an easy recipe, pasta in a creamy chicken sauce. You are going to love this. Let's get cooking. Blessings abound.